We'll guide you through how to freeze frame in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by going to your search bar, then type in After Effects so you can find the program. Once it shows up, open After Effects and wait for it to load completely. When the workspace is ready, create a new composition by right-clicking on the project bar. Click New Composition from the menu, then set your composition settings based on what you need, such as resolution, frame rate, and duration. After you finish adjusting everything, confirm the settings so your composition is created. Now right-click the project bar again and choose the Import option. Select File from the next menu, then browse your device and choose the footage you want to add to your project. After the footage appears in your project panel, drag and drop it into the timeline so it becomes part of your composition and you can see it in the preview. Take a moment to scrub through the timeline and decide exactly which part of the footage you want to freeze. Once you know the spot, make sure the playhead is positioned at the exact frame you want. Press CTRL D to duplicate the footage layer so you have a copy you can use for the freeze effect. After duplicating, click the footage layer that you want to freeze so it becomes the one selected. Right-click on this layer to open the Options menu. From here, move your cursor to the Time section so it opens the submenu. When the submenu expands, select Freeze Frame. This locks the selected frame and turns that layer into a still image from that exact moment, while your original footage underneath can keep moving or be used for other edits. The freeze frame layer now holds the frozen moment exactly where you placed it, which is useful for stylized cuts, action pauses, or dramatic highlights. Make sure the duplicate layer is lined up properly with the original footage so the transition looks smooth. You can also trim or adjust the length of the freeze frame layer in the timeline, depending on how long you want the paused moment to last. If needed, you can add effects, motion graphics, or color edits to the frozen layer to make it stand out. By following these steps in order, you can create a clean freeze frame effect in After Effects without any confusion and keep full control over how the moment looks in your final project.